So I got back from Germany, got back to my flat, unemployed. I thought, I'll go to Thailand then. So I've been in Koh Samui for the past month, and I realised I ain't done anything stupid in like a month and a half. So I decided to get a ferry to the mainland. I'm going to go to Phuket, and I'm going to cycle from Phuket to Chiang Mai, which I think is around 1,000 miles. I haven't ridden a bike in a while, maybe since I was about 9. And I was always very prone to falling off them. I was always known as the kid to fall off bikes. So that bodes well. I'm going to get that ferry. I need to find a bike. I haven't even got a bike. This is all my possessions. So I need to buy a bike and get to Phuket and then ride it. So yeah, that's the new challenge. So it's going to be fun. Hello. So I bought a bike, and it has 2 wheels, gears, and this stuff. Has a stand, which is good. And I also bought, sorry I'm out of breath, I just rid up this bloody mountain. I also bought bag, this stand thingy here. I bought a lock, and what else did I buy? And a light as well. So yeah, all in all, I think it cost me about 10,000 baht for all of it. I'm sorry for all you cyclists, but I can't tell you much about the bike. It's a mountain bike, and I've ridden it around for about 15 kilometers, and it moves. So we're going to do 1,000 miles on this thing. Okay, day 1. I'm going to go for 100 kilometers today and see how it feels, because I've no idea how difficult it will be. Let's do it. It's 7 in the morning, it's still dodgy. I'm only 2 kilometers in. I've had about 4 near misses and my legs already fucking hurt. Straight over. Okay, I'll go over. Okay, now. Let's come over here. Okay, we go right. I feel like we just commit. Yeah, we'll just commit. Fuck it. Go down here. Okay, that's our first roundabout survived. It's going all right. It's going all right. The traffic is dodgy on the roads. It's dodgy, but that was to be expected. I knew that was going to be the case. And I feel like in the morning everyone's going to jobs they don't want to go to. Everyone's grumpy, and they just see some foreigner on a bike with a GoPro like, no. Yeah, odd aim for me as well. Please don't put out van. Thank you. Cafe. It does have ham and cheese in it. Holy shit. Fuck. Okay. This is I think that was a good idea. Nearly crashed into her. had to put my phone in this because it's so sway. I am a bit worried about these dogs, to be fair. It's twice now where I've been like ran at, you know what I mean? But what can you do? I don't know what this is. I think it has alcohol in. Perfect. I'll show you where I am. That's about 100 kilometers away, that. It's like a little town. So hopefully I'll find a hotel there. I ain't got anything booked yet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, this is great! It's telling me to go down here. I am skeptical. Oh god. Oh shit. Go, go, go. Oh shit. Left here. Oi. Excuse me, bird. Oi. Can I even go this way? Nah. This is someone's garden. Shit. Damn you, sat-nav. Let's get some water. That's about halfway now. Feel okay. My knees are feeling it more than I thought they would. Oh yeah. This is the coastline where that 2004 tsunami hit and killed loads of people. It's pretty sad. Yeah, this bridge takes us over the water back to the mainland. So I think we're now leaving Phuket, I think. We stay up there. Oh, I nearly fell off then. Ooh, that smells good. That smells very good. Oh yeah. Pizza and ice cream. That food was good and cheap. Alright. Let's get it going. $74 done. 74 done. My legs are fucking burning. Heading into Ban Phuket. I can come in? I come in? Thank you, thank you. Whoa. Look at this thing, man. This place is pretty cool. Just gotta respect it, you know what I mean? You gotta respect it. Straight out. It's time to look for a hotel. Bang a Yui. Bang a Yui. Go, go, go. I think this is it. I think that's it. Yeah. Looks like it. Oh, big hill, big hill. Right. Not bad. Good view. Not bad at all. Auntie. So that's day one done. I think it's doable. I feel okay. I won't know the damage I've done until tomorrow when I wake up. So all I can do tonight is eat as much as possible, you know, maybe have a smoothie, maybe a beer, and just pray that I feel good tomorrow. I need to buy sun cream. My face is so burnt and my hands are burnt. I'll show you. I'll burn my hands on, man. Ridiculous. I'm gonna spend a half hour chilling, drink as much water as possible, go and feast. Absolute feast, mate. We're not done yet, boys. There's more to go.